Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, Pokémon trainers. In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y on your Chromebook. First, you'll need to enable the Linux development environment. Head to your Chromebook settings, find the Developers section, and turn on Linux. This process typically takes a few minutes and allocates around 10 gigabytes of storage for the Linux system. It's a crucial first step to get your Chromebook ready for some awesome gaming. Once Linux is enabled, open the terminal application. This is where you'll install the Citra emulator, which is essential for playing Nintendo 3DS titles like Pokémon X and Y. You'll run a few simple commands to update your system, install Flatpak, and then add Citra from the Flathub repository. This setup ensures you have the correct software to run your favorite Pokémon adventures smoothly. After installing Citra, you might want to use Flatseal to fine-tune its permissions, ensuring the best performance. Next, you'll need to obtain your Pokémon X or Y game files. Remember to always acquire these from legitimate sources. Once you have your game files, move them into a convenient folder within your Linux file system. Keep in mind that emulation can be demanding, so a Chromebook with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and a capable processor will offer the best experience. With Citra installed and your game files ready, it's time to play. Launch the Citra emulator from your Chromebook's app menu under the Linux Applications section. Inside Citra, simply select and load your Pokémon X or Y game. You can also tweak various settings, such as graphics resolution or audio output, to optimize your gameplay. For an even better experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.